Yeah, so we basically went out to low-income families in Myanmar and just interviewed them. We had a bias from our previous startup, which was involved in the water space. So we're like, maybe electricity, water, we could do something like that here in Myanmar. But when we interviewed people, the top three things they mentioned were food, education, healthcare. And on days when people were on daily wages and on days when they didn't work, they were just borrowing from moneylenders. Moneylenders are charging like 1,800% interest per annum, like ridiculous amounts. So we're like, that's a problem that needs solving. We decided to really understand the problem. Why? Because banks and microfinance institutions exist in the market, but why weren't they serving this part of the market? Basically, it was too costly and too expensive. Their loans started at $150 and above, so we looked at that whole space below where people were borrowing from moneylenders. So we started to introduce technology just to cut down that cost, and that's where we really went with. So we've built a mobile app and a fully supporting back office, including a machine learning credit risk model. So that automates the whole entire loan process. At the same time, in Myanmar, only half the population actually use the internet, and especially the low-income families that we're using don't really use apps in any sophisticated way. So we added on top of that what we call a super user model. Basically, these are women from the communities that we train up, and they use our app to help sign up other people, disperse loans, and help with repayments as well. So far, we've issued 2,500 loans. It's about $100,000 in total, and we've had less than 2% lifetime defaults. We're now partnering with 2 major banks in Myanmar, so we're seeing how we spread what we're doing across the country.